Hello, all the magical people around. I'm sure you are dedicatedly doing all the day's practices. So, we are done with 3 days practice. One was Count Your Blessings, which you need to do daily. Second was Magic Rock, which you need to do before sleep. And the third was Magical Relationship. So, today is day 4, and today's practice is Magical Health. I'm sure we always want to be healthy all the time. And whenever we are not in good health, we actually don't feel like doing anything. So we can rightly say that health is actually wealth, right? So to feel always energetic, we need to have good health, right? So let's start today's practice, magical health. So day 4, magical health. So through the picture, you can see that there is a glass of water. And if we give energy to water, because our body is made up of around 60% water. So whenever you drink water, you need to give energy to that water that you drink and also to the food that we eat. So when we make food at home, we should always give positive energy to that also. And it's just that health is wealth. So we need to heal ourselves whenever we are not at good health. So let's start. So the greatest wealth is health, as said by Roman poet. So this is true, right? If we are not in good health, we won't feel like doing anything. So the greatest wealth is health. Health is the most precious thing in life, and yet more than anything else, we can take our health for granted. For many of us, the only time we think of our health is when we lose it. Then the realization hits us, without our health, we have nothing. So day to day, जब हम काम करते हैं, we forget to take care of our health, right? We give the least amount of our time to our health. So जब भी तबीयत खराब होती है तब हमें ध्यान आता है अपना ध्यान रखना. Otherwise तो we are just running towards our dreams, towards our goals. But it's very important to stay fit in a regular basis. To keep health in your lifestyle, it's very important, right? Because without health, we एक्चुअली डोंट हैव एनीथिंग, वी हैव नथिंग. कोविड के टाइम पे हमने रियलाइज किया ही था कि हेल्थ के बिना एक्चुअली में कुछ भी नहीं है, राइट? सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम अब रियलाइज करें टू to take some time of our day for our health, right? So there's an Italian proverb that speaks the truth about health for many of us. He who enjoys good health is rich, though he knows it not. While we rarely think of our health when we are well, you will have felt the truth of those words even when you had something minor like a cold or flu and you were bedridden. So when you are not well, all you want is to feel better and nothing else matters other than having your health back again. So it's true, right? Those who are in good health, we actually don't realize it, but we are actually fortunate, right? We should feel grateful that we are keeping up good health. जब भी हमारी तबीयत खराब होती है तभी हमें डॉक्टर याद आता है, तभी हमें सब कुछ याद आता है कि काश वापस से मैं कब ठीक होऊंगा. But when we are in good health, why don't we show our gratitude towards it? So we need to understand that health is a gift of life. We always want to receive and continue to receive each day. So it's very important कि हम gratitude show करें each day when we are in good health. तब भी. So in addition to everything else we do to be healthy, we have to be grateful for our health to continue to receive more health, right? So जो हमने पहले पढ़ा था, whoever has gratitude for health will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. And whoever does not have gratitude for health, even what he has will be taken away from. So basically, जब we are in good health, तब भी हमें gratitude show करना, तभी we will continue to receive it later in life also. You may know of people who choose a healthy lifestyle and yet still lost their health, giving thanks in return. You may know a few people, जब हम बोलते हैं ना कि somebody expired or somebody किसी के कैंसर हो गया, किसी के somebody is facing to this problem, that problem, we don't realize कि he or she was in good health, but शायद उन्होंने अब कभी भी realize नहीं किया, कभी भी gratitude show नहीं किया for the health he actually had. And वो इतना अच्छा लाइफस्टाइल चूज करने के बाद भी क्यों अनहेल्दी हो गए, क्यों दे लॉस्ट देयर हेल्थ. गिविंग थैंक्स इन रिटर्न फॉर द हेल्थ यू आर रिसीविंग इज वाइटल. It's very important. When you are grateful for your health, you will not only maintain your current health, at the same time, you will set the magic into motion to increase the flow of health to you. To continue getting good health, we need to be grateful. You need to realize that, especially when you are in good health. You will also begin to see the improvements to your health happen right away. Little aches and pains, moles, scars, or marks will start to magically disappear, and you will notice your energy, vitality, and happiness increase markedly. Once you start showing gratitude, telling gratitude, feeling gratitude towards your health, which you already have, जो भी चीज है, जो भी पेन आप फेस कर रहे हो, जो भी स्कार्स आप फेस कर रहे हो, वो भी डिसअपियर होते रहेगा और आपका हेल्थ एक्चुअली exponentially better होते जाएगा. As you will learn in a later practice, through the daily practice of gratitude for your health, you can improve your eyesight, hearing, and all of your senses, along with every function in your body. And all of it happens like magic. You won't even believe कि ऐसे कैसे हो गया. But continuously अगर आप gratitude show करते जाओगे, आप बोल रहे हो कि I have a problem with my eyesight. How will it improve? But अगर प्रॉब्लम होती हुई भी आप अपने आईज को ग्रेटिट्यूड करते जाओगे, जो भी चीज आप कर रहे हो उस आईज से उसको भी करते जाओगे, तो देखना एक्सपोनेंशियली आपका आई साइट इंप्रूव होगा एंड आप रियलाइज भी नहीं करोगे कब ऐसा हो गया. Okay, gratitude is a vaccine, an antitoxin, and an antiseptic. Trust me, it is. Okay. The degree you are grateful for your health is the exact degree that your health will magically increase. And the degree that you are not grateful is the exact degree that your health will decrease exponentially. So, living with a decreased amount of health means your energy, vitality, immune system, clarity of thought, your mental stability, everything will actually weaken डाउन स्लोली ग्रेजुअली. बट वो धीरे 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 कमजोर होते जाएगा. आप रियलाइज भी नहीं करोगे कब आपका एनर्जी रिड्यूस हो गया. और अगर आप हर समय फुल ऑफ लव, ग्रेटिट्यूड, थैंकफुलनेस वाले एटीट्यूड में रहोगे तो आप 70-80 की उम्र में भी आपको फील नहीं होगा कि दैट यू आर लूजिंग योर एनर्जी. Right? So being grateful for your health ensures that you will continue to receive more health to be grateful for. And at the same time, it eliminates stress and tension in your body and mind. Trust me. आप एक बार स्टार्ट करो इसको करना, 3-4 months कंटिन्यूसली प्रैक्टिस करो एंड यू विल सी ड्रास्टिक चेंज इन योर हेल्थ. Scientific research studies have shown that stress and tension are at the root of many diseases. Studies have also revealed that people who practice gratitude heal faster and are likely to live 7 years longer. And it is actually well researched. अगर आप बीमार हो तब भी उस मोमेंट में भी अगर आप ग्रेटिट्यूड शो कर पा रहे हो अपने बॉडी के लिए, अपने हेल्थ के लिए, तो आप देखना कितने फास्ट आप हील करने वाले हो. आई did experimented this when my father-in-law was not well. I actually did gratitude for health every day. I used to write points for him every single day and trust me, इतने जल्दी उन्होंने रिकवर किया. नो डाउट उनका विल पावर बहुत स्ट्रांग था, बट there might be some energy which was flowing towards him to recover very, very fast. So it happens whenever somebody is ill in your house or you are ill, try to write gratitude points for them, for yourself. You can do it for others also. In your family, if somebody is not well, you can write points for them. There is no problem. आप उनको energy flow करके दो, आप उनको positive gratitude, positive points, positive vibration flow करके दो, and you see how fast they heal. So you can see in the state of your health right now how grateful you have been. You should feel amazing every day. If you feel heavy and life feels like a little effort to get through, or if you don't feel younger than your age, then you are living with decreased health. One of the major causes of this loss of vitality is the lack of gratitude. जब भी आप लो ऑफ एनर्जी में आप थोड़ा सा सोचो, डीप थिंकिंग करो कि आपने कब अपने बॉडी को, अपने वाइब्रेशन को, अपने आप को एनर्जी दिया, ग्रेटिट्यूड फील करवाया, फील गुड फील करवाया. बेसिकली all of that is about to change, though, because you are going to use gratitude's magical power for the health of your body. So today you are going to start the practice of magical health. So the magical health practice begins with reading through the following paragraphs about the health of your body. So after you read each line, for every part of the body, you need to close your eyes and mentally repeat the italicized line, feeling as grateful as you can for that part of your body. Remember that when you think about why you are grateful, it will help you feel gratitude more deeply. And the deeper you feel it, the faster you will feel and see the amazing results in your body. So think about your legs and feet. They are your main form of transportation in your life, right? Think about all the things you use your legs for, like balancing, standing up, sitting down, exercising, dancing, climbing steps, driving a car, and most of all, the miracle of walking. जस्ट इमेजिन अपने लेग्स को कुछ हो जाता है, थोड़ा सा भी लग जाता है तो हाउ बैड वी फील, राइट? तो एवरी डे जब आप नॉर्मली वॉक कर पा रहे हो तो वाई आरंट वी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट? That you need to realize. Your legs and feet allow you to walk around your home, walk to the bathroom, go to the kitchen to get a drink, and walk to your car. You are privileged, right? Your legs and feet allow you to walk around stores, down the streets, through an airport, and along the beach. The ability to walk gives us freedom to enjoy life. So thank you for my feet and legs. Really mean it. So say, thank you for my legs and feet and really mean it from inside. Think about your arms and hands and how many things you pick up and hold each day. Your hands are the major tools of your life and they are in non-stop use all day. Every day, your hands allow you to write, eat a meal, use a phone, computer, shower, get dressed, use the bathroom, pick up things, hold them, and do everything for yourself. So, without the use of your hands, you would be dependent on other people. So, aren't you feel, privileged having both the hands, right? So, say, thank you for my arms, for my hands, for my fingers. Think about your amazing senses. Your sense of taste gives you so much pleasure multiple times throughout the day as you drink and eat. From losing your sense of taste through a cold that the joy of eating and drinking disappears without being able to taste food or drinks. So say, thank you for my amazing sense of taste. Your sense of smell enables you to experience the beautiful fragrances of life. Flowers, perfume, clean sheets, dinner as it's cooking, a fire burning on the winter's night, the air on the summer's day, freshly cut grass, the smell of the earth after rain. So did we realize that we are so privileged to have such an amazing sense of smell? Right? So when was the last time you say thank you to that? Right? So right now say thank you for my amazing, wonderful sense of smell. If you didn't have a sense of touch, you would never know what's hot, what's cold, soft from sharp, or smooth from rough. You would never be able to feel objects or physically express love or receive it. So your sense of touch allows you to touch your loved ones, with a reassuring hug, to feel the touch of a hand from one human being to another. Right? Aren't you feeling privileged of having that sense of touch, that feel of comfort? Right? So say thank you for my sense of touch. Think about the miracle of your eyes, which enables you to see the faces of your loved ones daily. Friends, read printed books, newspaper, emails, watch television, see the beauty of nature, and most importantly, see your way through life. Just put a blindfold for an hour and try to do your things normally. You won't be able to do, right? So when was the last time you appreciated your eyes? No, right? So right now, say, thank you for my eyes that enable me to see everything around. Think about your ears, which enables you to hear your own voice and other people's voice so that you can talk to people. Without ears and your sense of hearing, you could not use a phone, hear music, listen to the radio, hear your loved ones talk, hear of the sounds of the world around you, right? Say thank you for my hearing. And to use all of your senses would be impossible without your brain, right? So which progresses over 1 million of messages a second through your senses. So your brain is working 24/7, right? It is actually your brain that enables you to sense and experience life. So there's no computer technology in the world, right, that can duplicate your brain, your human brain and your mind. So express your gratitude. Say thank you for my brain and my beautiful mind. So think about the trillions of cells working unceasingly 24/7 for your health, body, and life. Say thank you to your cells. Think about your life-sustaining organs, which are continuously filtering, cleaning, renewing everything in your body. And think about the fact that they all do their work automatically without you in having to think about it. आपको सोचना भी पड़ रहा है अपने बॉडी के अंदर कितना कुछ चल रहा है, right? So just thank you organs for working perfectly. अगर कुछ भी हो जाता है तो our life goes ups and downs, right? So thank you, say thank you every day to your body actually. But more miraculous than any sense system, function or other organ in our body is the organ of your heart. If your heart stops working, what will happen? right? Your heart governs the life of every other organ because it is your heart that keeps the life flowing to your system in your body. So thank you for my strong and healthy heart, right? So now what you need to do is you need to take a piece of paper or a card or anything, right? Okay. And write on it in bold, big bold letters. Okay. The gift of health is keeping me alive. It is actually a gift, right? जो हम realize भी नहीं करते, हम सोचते भी नहीं है कि कितना कुछ अपने बॉडी में चल रहा है. And we are not even showing great gratitude towards it daily, right? So अगर आप ये एक पीस ऑफ पेपर में आपको लिखना है and ये उस जगह में रखो जहां आप देख सकते हो उसको डेली, राइट? सो द गिफ्ट ऑफ हेल्थ इज कीपिंग मी अलाइव, आप बोल्ड लेटर्स में लिखना. Okay, take the card with you today. Put it in a place where you will see it often. If you work at a desk, you can put it right in front of you. If you are a driver, put it in a place in your car or truck where you will see it often. If you are at home most of the time, you can put it where you wash your hands or where you keep your phone. Choose a place where you know you will see the words you have written. Okay. Today, at least 4 different occasions. When you see the words, read them slowly, one word at a time, and feel as grateful as you can for the gift of health. So, the gift of health is keeping me alive. ये आपको 4 बार बोलना है अलग-अलग occasions में. Being grateful for your health is essential to keep you healthy, but also to guarantee that it will continue to get better with increasing energy and just for life. Right? So if gratitude were used in conjunction with conventional medical treatments, we would see a revolution in the health industry and recovery rates and miracles like we have never seen before. Okay, so जब आपका कोई ट्रीटमेंट भी हो रहा है उस समय भी ग्रेटिट्यूड शो करना, ग्रेटफुलनेस शो करना इज वेरी वेरी एसेंशियल. ओके, बहुत फास्ट रिकवरी होता है, बहुत फास्ट हीलिंग होता है उसके बाद. ओके, so today's magic practice number 4 is repeat. Step 1 was the same only. First to 3 was the same. Number 1 is count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your sentences. Say thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel gratitude for each one. The second one is on a piece of paper or a card, you need to write the gift of health is keeping me alive. Place the piece of paper with your handwritten notes, with written words where you know you will see it often. On at least 4 occasions, read it slowly and feel as grateful as you are. And then before sleep, you need to do the same magic rock practice. Hold that rock in your hand. Say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that has happened during the day. So this is a beautiful practice, right? Which actually is the main purpose of our living. Right? Health को अच्छा रखना बहुत 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 जरूरी है. So please do this practice today. And this is one practice which you can continue for life, for yourself or your loved ones. So stay tuned, guys, for the day 5 practice, which is money magnet. So see you soon. Thank you.